goes one over to your body, so everything your body does. But there's only different intersections, and each section has a tiny job. They all work together to make sure you can kick that soccer ball or solve that math problem.
The green section is called the frontal lobe. The blue section is called the temporal lobe. The small purple section is called the cerebellum. The red section is called the occipital lobe. And the yellow section is called the parietal lobe. Frontal lobe helps with your reasoning skills, planning, speech, movement, and problem solving. So when you solve that worksheet, your frontal lobe is doing a lot of the hard work. The temporal lobe lets you remember things and helps a little with your hearing. Every time you memorize words in Spanish or remember when your friend's birthday is, your temporal lobe is working super hard. The cerebellum is in charge of controlling your movements and muscles. The cerebellum makes your body move from the simple things like blinking to the hard things like dancing. The occipital lobe controls your vision. Without this lobe, you wouldn't be able to understand the things you are seeing. Your occipital lobe turns the light coming into your eyes into images and objects you can understand. Finally, the parietal lobe helps interpret sensory information. This lobe helps you determine whether that object is cold, sharp, hot, or soft. The parietal lobe also helps out with balance and makes sure you don't fall off that skateboard. Without your brain, you would not be able to live because it plays such an important role in your life. All these lobes make up your brain, and your brain is what makes you, you.